I'm getting really excited for my first school dance next week. I'm going with all my friends, and I know we're gonna have so much fun. But I'm also a little bit nervous because there's gonna be a ton of people I don't know. I really want to show everyone who I am through my style, and what better way than by styling my very own accessory to complete my outfit. I'm gonna make this adorable leopard print pouch with my So Cool machine. You can never have enough pouches for all your accessories. I mean, I have my nail polish, my earrings, my bracelets. You never know what you're gonna need at the last minute. So, I'm gonna show you how to make it. All we need is the pre-cut fabric and the So Cool sewing machine. First, sew this strip onto the back of the heart. Step 1 done. Now we just fold it here and stitch up the sides. The best part, I can totally use this pouch again. Okay, we're almost done. Now we just need to fold over the top and weave this piece through the slits. Perfect! Now I know nothing will fall out while I'm dancing. This is gonna look amazing with my outfit. See you next time! Want more fire looks? Just hit subscribe so you're in the inner circle for more cool stuff from Cool Maker.